Creating a safe and positive relationship between children and Rottweilers. Rottweiler and children's education, teaching safety and respect. Introduction. Rottweilers are often known for their strength, loyalty, and protective nature. They make excellent family pets and are particularly fond of children when properly trained and socialized. However, it is important to educate both children and adults about how to interact with Rottweilers safely and respectfully. In this article, we will discuss the importance of teaching children about safety around Rottweilers and how to build a positive relationship between them. Teaching safety. When introducing Rottweilers to children, safety should always be a priority. It is crucial to teach children the proper behavior and respect for these dogs. Here are some tips to help guide you in teaching children about safety around Rottweilers. 1. Supervised interaction. It is important to supervise any interaction between Rottweilers and children, especially young ones. This ensures that both the child and the dog are safe and that any potential risks or misunderstandings can be identified and addressed promptly. 2. Personal space. Teach children to respect a Rottweiler's personal space. Explain that just like humans, dogs also need their personal boundaries. Encourage children to approach the dog slowly and to avoid touching them without the owner's permission. 3. Gentle touch. Teach children how to pet a Rottweiler gently. Instruct them to avoid pulling the dog's tail, ears, or any other sensitive areas. Teach them to stroke the dog's back or chest in a calm and gentle manner. For food and toys, make sure children understand that they should never disturb a Rottweiler while they are eating or playing with their toys. Explain that dogs can become protective of their food and belongings and may react negatively when disturbed. 5. Warning signs. Educate children about the warning signs that a Rottweiler may display when feeling uncomfortable or threatened. Teach them to recognize signs like a stiff body, growling, baring teeth, or raised fur. Instruct children to back away slowly and avoid any sudden movements if they notice these warning signs. Building positive relationships. Building a positive relationship between children and Rottweilers is essential for their mutual well-being. Here are some ways to foster a positive relationship between children and Rottweilers. 1. Socialization. Proper socialization is crucial for Rottweilers from a young age. Encourage children to interact with well-socialized Rottweilers under proper supervision. This will help the dog become familiar with different people and develop positive associations with children. 2. Training. Teach children basic dog training commands such as sit, stay, or come. Involving children in the training process helps them understand the importance of obedience and establishes a hierarchical relationship between them and the dog. 3. Positive reinforcement. Teach children to use positive reinforcement when interacting with Rottweilers. Encourage them to reward good behavior with treats, praise, or a favorite toy. This encourages the dog to repeat the positive behavior and strengthens the bond between them. For education, educate children about the history, characteristics, and needs of Rottweilers. Explain that they are working dogs bred for specific tasks and require mental and physical stimulation. Teach children about responsible pet ownership, including regular exercise, proper nutrition, and regular veterinary care. Conclusion. Teaching children about safety around Rottweilers and how to build a positive relationship with them is of utmost importance. By educating both children and adults about these topics, we can ensure a safe and harmonious coexistence between children and Rottweilers. Remember, responsible pet ownership and proper upbringing are key to creating a happy and safe environment for everyone involved.